Hi there, and welcome to this video in which we present our new real colour markers. On this occasion I will be using this set of 3 colours, the World War II Axis Aircraft Cockpit Colours set, and I will be showing you how to paint a bomb. I'm going to use the RLM 66 colour that, although intended for interiors, is perfectly fine for painting German bombs. Right, let me show you how easy these markers are to use. Just take the lid off and stick it on the other end to make the whole thing a bit easier to hold, and it's ready for a quick test. As you can see, it has a felt tip, and you will see the paint flows very nicely in a nice perfect line. Excellent. These markers are great for a piece like this with lots of nooks and crannies, as you can see here. The tip is so small enough it fits perfectly in any of these gaps. Can you see that? Even from the other side too. It's turned out nicely, right? You can see how quickly it dries on this part right here. With such a small tip, it lets you get right into all these little corners perfectly. And all you need to do is colour in as you would on a piece of paper, but in 3 dimensions. This part is still fresh, so you can see the texture left by the marker, but as you can see here, that disappears as it dries. And the bomb is looking great with its new colour. Now, after having used the real colour marker, I'm going to use a Wargame wash, the black wash, which I can apply directly on top of the unvarnished paint. I'm going to blur the edges of the wash a little here, and as you can see, the paint underneath is completely unaffected. There is no problem whatsoever, and the paint perfectly withstands the application of white spirit. And by using the bristles on my brush, I can even add some texture to simulate dirt on the bomb. Now, after having applied all the products directly on top of the marker paint, what I want to do now is apply some oils on top of that. Here I'm blurring all the oil to create some dirt effect. And this is the final effect I achieved with the oils. Now, on top of the oil, which is on top of the paint and the wash, I can even apply paint from a different marker. In this case I want a bit of chrome colour, so I will use this chrome marker for a couple of little touches on the bomb right here. Just one drop here and another drop here. Now that the bomb is ready to be varnished, you can see the final result. I'm now going to apply a layer of 3rd generation ultra matte varnish across the entire surface. And this is how my bomb looks after varnishing it. You can see the texture I have achieved on the whole bomb. And all that was applied directly over the real colour marker paint. They are very quick and easy to use. Superb.